Philippines ngarang pangthokiba taramari suba Mr. International da India ki motsindra sarugyariba Manipuri macha Lukanand Kshetrimayum na first runners of tabangam krei tongan balepa kuntra manga ki mute singa sarugya kiba competition aduda Dominican Republic ki Manuel Franco na first tabangam ki aduga second runners of na Venezuela ki Jesus Tiro not nataki competition asida Lukanand na akhana na piwa award Mr. Dharma World sutabangam ki masagi chahi kun khaktangai Lukananda Maria Montessori School ki class 12 pass sorba matungda model gilam da changki mak angang oiringai de ki hauna adamati film making da thawai yauzarak pami sakne maki tongan ba film kya direction pibna natana award kya so fangkrei first runners of taraba matungda Lukananda na pangwi singda phongdo kibagi wafam.
Winning is about celebrating each other. If you win or lose, if you can celebrate someone's success, that's winning for me. I celebrate Dominican success, that's a success for me. That's how we grow, how we empower, and how we lift the environment and the entire world. That winning is not just about becoming the one. Winning is about lifting the one up. So we should celebrate like that. Thank you. It was a lovely feeling, a blessing I should say, that I've received so much love from Philippines. And I actually felt the happiness for him, that he's going success, and I'm one to backing him. It's all about brotherhood. One who steps up, another one stays down. So we are here to link up with each other and support each other. So it's more about that.